All hands are on deck to ensure that peace and tranquility is restored back to those communities. That tragic killing had shocked Nigerians because the victims were peaceful members of communities that were dedicated to building their peaceful livelihoods, while they practiced their religions in the peaceful and harmonious manner that the injunctions of Islam has instructed. Until an alien religious belief, alien to our history, alien to our tradition, invaded those communities.
It's not a nice thing to say. We really appreciate His Excellency for giving us time for raising concern, and the President for taking action, especially by promising to serving a battalion there. Once again, we appreciate it again.
And the DG of NEMA, the President had instructed her to mobilize all resources in partnership with the State Emergency Management Agency to provide succor and support to our distressed communities.
All said, we'll continue to pray for better situation, better security in Nigeria, those committing this act, evil act, to stop, basically.